Please read this disclaimer carefully before proceeding further. Welcome traders to this week's analysis of gold, XAUUSD. Thanks for joining me here. My name is Vic. Let's see what kind of opportunities we had on gold and what kind of opportunities we can have on gold next week. So let's start with monthly time frame on Watt and Visart system. So on monthly time frame, what we can see that market is bullish right now. This is printing a very bullish candle, but remember we are at the mid of this month, so anything can happen. Personally, I've seen entire monthly candle, bullish candle, turning into a bearish candle in last 2 hours of the month as well. So anything can happen in the market. Do not think that this is bullish right now, that means the gold is going to go even higher. It is a possibility, but another possibility is that it can fall down as well. There is always a chance of the other side as well, right? So what we have right now is that market is pushing higher, and that is what we were expecting. Remember, we have been long from 1618 level, and I've been guiding you from 2070 level. From 2070 we have been going short, taking multiple trades up and down, but we have been mostly short, and we have been long from 1680 level, and then we have taken minor shorts, but mostly going long from that level to 1850 level. Now 1850 level is still reachable. Market has come to 1843 and it is still possible. I've covered in the previous week's analysis about this particular signal that we have. It's a bearish signal on monthly time frame. That means it can take few months for the market to reach there. If you want to find out more about this one, then go and check out previous week's analysis. Ideally, you should be watching all of these analysis one by one in series so that you get complete idea, because otherwise I'll be wasting your time and my time repeating the same thing again and again every week, which is not fruitful. So what we can do is that we can monitor this area around here, around 1850 level. So for that, let's go to the weekly time frame. If you are available on Telegram channel, this is a free Telegram channel that we have, and in here I've been guiding you around how as the gold was developing, I've been posting messages here. So if you're not there, please come and join us, and you'll be you'll find it be to be very beneficial to you, right? So this is where we posted the previous analysis, and then the next thing was that I mentioned that this FCP zone was going to act as a barrier in the market. Market tried to go beyond it. It never did. In fact, it actually fell to the first profit target and the second profit target nicely, which was 1816. In fact, it actually went a little lower than that, because we had 1 hour 200 moving average just below that second profit target. But on the short side, remember I mentioned that if I get a confirmation to the short side, I will go for a short, but that is not going to be my main trade, because I know that sooner or later it is expected to reach 1850 level or so. So we had a very good short opportunity. So the market actually gave us very good short opportunity on Watt and Visage. I posted that in here somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. Let me just quickly open that up if I can find it for you. Otherwise, you can find it yourself on this Telegram channel. You can come and all the messages are there. So here it is. The next step. The market reached the second profit target, and then I said 1820 level was an important level, because if the market was going to go higher and performs a retest, and if this becomes a support, then it was going to go back into this FCP zone, maybe to retest the previous high, and if those are broken, then it was going to go to 1850 level. And that's what the market has been doing so far. The market has come to market actually reached 200 moving average on 1 hour time frame, then it went straight beyond 1820 level. 1820 becomes support here, and on Watt and Visage I gave the early warning that the market was turning bullish, and this was the profit target of 1837. So this was already given, it was nearly confirmed, and as you can see, the market was moving very nicely. This was the profit target, this was the signal, the blue arrow. The trend was turning bluish, that means the bullish trend, and this was the profit target here. And then market performed a retest of 1820 and started to move into FCP zone. So right now, as it stands, let me show you where we are. So this was 4 hour target, If you are not familiar with What Envisage, by the way, What Envisage is available right now, and there are only few licenses which are available. If you want to subscribe to this indicator suite, then go and check out the description of this video, or contact us on Telegram channel. So this is the blue color, that means the market is bullish. There is a blue arrow, that means the market is giving a signal, buy signal. This is the stop loss level here, and that's the profit target here. All of these are for guidance. Now the market has obviously gone to that profit target and has gone beyond that as well, and it is going even further than that, and we know where it is going to go to. It is going to go to 1850 level or so. Let me show you where that is. So if I just go to weekly time frame and put a line here, and let's adjust that to 1850. So it's going to be around there. So what I'm expecting market to go and touch that line, and I'll be looking for a short opportunity after that. Why? Because water has touched this water curve level, and this is going to show some reaction. So I'm expecting a bearish candle or bearish movement downwards on water Envisage. That means the gold is going to print a bearish candle or so. That is what I'm expecting, and for that it can go to 1850, and if it does, then I'll look for a short position in that area. Okay, so that's what we have here. Let's go to the charts, and this is how it is looking. So the market is beyond that previous level here. It is just right there, and because the market has fallen like 1, 2, 3 times before, so like when the market is going to open, it can actually fall down for a few hours. Why? Because of that previous resistance or supply level, and at the same time the market has created this W pattern, and when W pattern completes, the market is expected to fall down. But I'm not going to look into that short position unless I get a very good confirmation. Why? Because this is not going to be fruitful. I want to look for a short position once the market has reached this other FCP zone, higher FCP zone, which is the initial plan that we had. So that is 1850 FCP zone. Anywhere in here, if the market reaches there, anywhere here or even beyond that, if I get a short confirmation, I'll go for a short. If I get a long confirmation beyond this zone, then I'll look for a long position, and that will take me to 1874 or 75 level here. Okay, near about that. But I'm looking for a short position only if it reaches 1850 level. There can be another short opportunity if this is my plan only, if it closes beyond 1834. If it closes beyond below 1834, then I'll look for a short position again. Otherwise, I'm still long. I have been long from 1681, and I've taken 2 profit targets on that, and my position is still running, and I'll take profit target on that on 1850, and I'll leave another part running for all-time highs and whatever. But if it reaches 1850, I'll look for a short position. So that is my plan for gold. Hope you found this useful. If you did, if you found this educational or informational, please hit the like button and put in a comment below this video telling me your feedback, your analysis, or if you have any questions. That is also going to help with YouTube algorithm. It is going to position this analysis further better in ranks, and please share it with other traders and trading communities so that they can also benefit from this analysis. Have a great trading week next week. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. If you're interested in learning how to analyze the markets the way I do using Fibonacci Confluence, then head over to vikinsa.com, and under training section you'll be able to see Core Strategy Training Program. On this page you'll be able to see the testimonials of previous students and also look at the brochure. The brochure has a lot more information, including the course structure and the Fibonacci Confluence Training Program curriculum. This is a very extensive program in which we cover basic core Fibonacci concepts along with the advanced concepts to analyze the markets with high probability. If you're interested in joining this program, come to vikinsa.com, and under training section you'll be able to see and submit this form.